Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your BMW iX key fob. You're not going to need any tools, but you are going to need one of the 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. On the back here, there's this little button here. You want to press this, and then this piece you want to slide down and off. Now this tray right here is what comes out, and I like to use this mechanical key, which you can pull out with your finger right here, and just put the key right here, just push and twist, and that will get the tray moving. Now take your dead battery out. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing downward like that. Put the tray in that orientation. Let's go ahead and put our key back in. Slides in nicely like that, and then this just slides in just like that, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.